So, hello, teacher. Hello to everybody. Good evening. Probably you are wondering why I am in this position, And I will say you, this is the technology power. So, my name is Juan Sebastián Martinez Riveros, and this is my position. It's about technology, and the topic is a virtual reality platform. So, I hope that you like it. Now, I know that you will like it. So these are my diapositives of my project, and I'm going to reproduce it. So and I don't know if the microphone balloon is good or the quality camera, but okay, I'm going to start. Virtual reality for education platform project. Juan Sebastián Martínez Riveros. My approved proposal. This project aims to design a virtual reality platform for education that allows students to immerse themselves in an immersive and highly interactive learning environment, thus taking advantage of new technological devices and applications such as virtual reality goggles, motion sensors, and gesture controllers. The principal objective of my project is improve the quality of the methodology of the learning of the students, and like that the students learn in the study with technology. The previously announced platform could revolutionize the way of learning in the minds of students as it offers a better learning experience in which they can study while having fun in a way that they enjoy and implement for their personal development in their life path. The another advantage and that the students can have fun in a way that they enjoy this learning methodology, that enjoy study basically. That's it. Table of contents. Okay, number one, identify the problem. The problem of the schools is learning disability in the students from schools. Could be, I don't know, Gimnasio de los Llanos, could be Matamoros, Alianza Pedagógica, El Celestín, and more. So this is a very common problem because a lot of students um, that don't pay attention, they don't pay attention to the classes. Um, I don't know. Nowadays, students don't like to study. They think that the school is bored. This is not the idea, The idea is that the students learn with a methodology that they like it, And this platform get to these students a good methodology to study, you know, that is the technology. So a young people like the technology nowadays, I like the technology and I know that you like the technology. So if you study with technology, it could be a very good experience, and probably you will learn more about topics or the lessons. Number two, the process is entering the virtual study platform. Is make a platform where you can enter and study. It's a virtual reality platform. So, in the next diapositives, I will say more about the platform. Number three, The target, this is like the objective, is implementing technology enabled learning. That the technology, the study, yeah, make like a connection for the reason that the students learn more about study, for it could be a good idea for jobs, could be, or for a lot of things. But the principal reason is for education, yeah. Our project introduction. Virtual reality technology has advanced rapidly in recent years and is increasingly present in education. Education based on virtual reality technology offers students a more visual, immersive, and realistic learning experience, which can have a great influence on information retention and comprehension. This project will present a proposed virtual reality platform for education that will take advantage of new devices and applications. So the virtual reality technology is the future. So and the technology advance really fast. So the project or the platform in this case will have the more advanced technology, because students need to learn with the best technology, and who don't like the best technology? I like it. I know that you like it. So this is the idea, you know, and I said it. The target is implementing technology enabled learning. So this is the objective. So here, this project will present a proposed virtual reality platform for education. I said it. That will take advantage and new devices and applications. So the platform and have to to have new devices and applications, applications or games that students can play and learning more about the classes or the lessons, because the students um, don't like the teachers classes, you know it could be because the teachers are bad or something like that. Understanding the problem. Okay, here the problem. There are two methodologies of teaching. So the new teaching methodology that my project proposed is that produces interest in a large part of the learning. That the virtual reality produce interest in the students. That a student that a student want to learn new things every day. You know, this is like the methodology or the objective of school, that students like to study, like to learning new things for his or for their life, sorry. And this is the cause, this is the objective. But there are a lot of more problems, like old teaching methodology. In the antiquity, the teachers were so bad, like they were so strict, you know, and these nowadays students don't like it, I don't like it, in my opinion. Strict teachers, nah. Funny teachers, yeah. These teachers are very good, like the teacher Christian Telles. So the old teaching methodology produces disinterest in a large part of the learning. Normally, the old teaching methodology causes that students don't like the study, because it's like read a book or take notes or do the same exercise. So this is so bored. But the new teaching methodology that I propose is that the technology implement in our lives. That you can play a game that really like you. That you really like it. You know, it's like could be learn playing, could be learn reading, but not reading a normal book. It could be an action book, but on internet, in a virtual platform that you can touch images, pictures, and you can touch the elements. So I propose new teaching methodology and change this old teaching methodology. Our solutions for the problems, in different ways or perspectives. In the study part, the solution is improve the quality of learning, that the students learn more for, I don't know, could be the ICFES. That I know that a lot of students study for the ICFES, and this is a I don't know, like a good form, a good way to study. But the good way to study is that you like it, because if you do something that you don't like it, you will do it very bad. So for the study solution is improve the quality of learning. In the schools, revolutionize to a better teaching methodology. I said it in the I said it in the last diapositive. Revolutionize to a better teaching methodology. We need like innovator teachers. Students, improve the quality of interest in the study. So the objective is like the students like to study, that they be interested in the study. You know, few students like to study. You know, I'm a student that like to study because I know that is for my future. But sometimes the classes are very bored, and I don't know, it's problem of the system of the teacher. But sometimes I feel that the study is bored. I imagined if the study will, I don't know, will with technology, it could be better. It could be fun, you know. So the the study need to attract the students to learn. In the technology part, implement the use of new technologies and applications. Yeah, new technologies. I don't know, like different elements, like cell phones or computers. But and that the students don't distract with these elements. That pay attention and only use these elements to study. This is like the idea. New technologies and applications. Applications could be games or could be ebooks, you know, different kind of applications that students like it. Theory, theoretical framework. Virtual reality technology is a medium that uses technological elements to generate a visual and auditory experience that is perceived as real. So if the platform or the virtual reality is going to change the methodology of study, it has to be in a good way, in a really good way. So it have to use elements that generate visual and auditory experience. Visual, you could use a virtual glasses, that you submerge in another world, that you can touch in a new universe. But it could be Could be headphones, could be headphones that you use your ears, your ears, and you that you connected with the technology. Only you and the technology that you can study with these elements and concentrate it a lot. Because if you are studying in a computer, yeah, and the noise is bothering, so you have to use headphones and a virtual glasses or virtual googles to concentrate it and like it, because virtual googles are like you stay in another universe, that you can explore, that you can touch, is a good way to study. Virtual reality based education can provide a unique and immersive experience for students, allowing them to interact with objects and explore concepts in a more in-depth and hands-on manner. I said it, that allowing them to interact with objects, like controls could be, and more objects for explore concepts in the studying area. Could be science, could be math, I don't know, could be more subjects, New devices and applications used for virtual reality, such as VR Google, I said it, gesture controls, and motion sensors are key elements in creating a virtual reality based education platform. Okay, the gesture controls that you can touch and new things, it's a good way to study in a game. And the motion sensors are a really key element in this platform. And I said the virtual reality goggles, the glasses. Development. The proposed virtual reality platform for education will use virtual reality devices such as Google's gesture controls and motion sensors. These devices will allow students to interact with virtual reality and explore different learning environments. The project will use a software platform to create a variety of virtual environments for education, such as a virtual worlds for science, history, geography, and mathematics. Recently, I said it, but you can explore different learning environments that you like. If you don't like maths, in this case, because a lot of students don't like maths because they think are bored, okay, you can use the virtual reality and play a game, like a problems game that you like it, like a puzzle or things like that, so geography, that you can see a lot of people in the history, presidents. It could be a great idea. Geography, that you can travel to a lot of countries and know about the culture. Science that you can learn about I don't know, about theories, could be. Tutorials and teaching guides will be included that will allow students to feel comfortable within the virtual environment. In addition, a progress tracking system will be included so that students can monitor their learning. And if a person, yeah, and don't like the virtual reality, or not don't like that, don't know to use the platform, yeah. In the platform there are included tutorials of teaching guides, that the students learn how to use the platform in a good way, included so that students can monitor their learning, Yeah, this is a good idea that students can monitor or control and their learning. Yeah, that a students decide that you can study maths of geography, of history, science, I don't know, another subjects more. Could be economy, that is a good subject, you know. Mm. The conclusion of all this problem and the solutions could be is the proposed virtual reality platform for education offers an enriching and innovative learning experience that can improve comprehension and retention of information, that you keep this information in your brain, that you don't forget it, that you really learn, yeah, that really learn, that you study, because this is important. It's not only study and go to the classes and, oh, okay, it was a good very class. No, it's like you keep the information in your brain, that you really learn, that you like it. New virtual reality devices and applications allow for more and more immersive interaction with the learning environment. So, the substantation. The virtual reality platform for education will be presented to educational institutions, and the evaluation of effectiveness and efficiency in relation to other teaching methods will be carried out. The results obtained from the evaluation will be used for the improvement and continuity of the project, as well as to make decisions on possible improvements that can be implemented in the future. A very, very popular phrase. I just know that I know nothing, but virtual reality is the future. Process that Socrates never said. And this is a curious data to find to I don't know, to finality the position. So 171 people use VR. Sorry, 171 million of people use VR. So this is the future, More people will use more technology like VR, and we like it, because it's like the future is more technology. We like technology. We need technology. So it was my exposition. I hope that you like it. I know that you like it. Thanks. My name is Juan Sebastián Martinez Riveros, and it was all.